What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys a brief comparison between the Zoho and the Freshsales platforms in terms of the reporting of the sales pipeline. So as we get into it, you'll see that there's an option in the Freshsales platform on the left hand side which says analytics, and in the dashboard you will see curated reports, activity dashboard, and the limitations. So you get access to set up a pure built-in standard report covering the essentials, debt pipelines, deal pipelines, health, sale activity, and the basic leads. And it also gives you the activity report. So in terms of the Zoho CRM, what you get in Zoho is that you get the standard report and the dashboard, the tubular customization, and the interface is noticeably more complex. While it is more powerful in terms of the raw data sorting, it lacks the modern, intuitive visual polish of fresh sales. Advanced custom report metrics of summary types are still locked behind the paid tiers. So this is a brief comparison amongst both of these. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.